Yes. So, very good morning, my dear students. In our previous class, we have learned, yes, very good. So, in our previous class, we have learned natural numbers, definition of mathematics, whole numbers. In the next class, we will learn whole numbers. So, now, yesterday we have learned international system of numeration and Indian system of numeration. And we learned to insert commas. So in our last class, we have learned Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration and how to insert commas and write in the word form. So we have learned these things, right? Isn't it? Yes. Are you learned everything now? Are you practiced yesterday? I hope you all understood Indian and international system. Yes, Sudha. Very good. Yes. So today we will learn estimation of numbers. That means rounding of numbers to nearest to 10, nearest to 1000 and nearest to 100. Okay. Today we will discuss about estimation of numbers nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Okay. So now wait. So, what is estimation? Yesterday I have told you, estimation means it's a reasonable guess of the actual value is called an estimation. A a reasonable guess of the actual value is called an estimation. So yesterday I informed you, if we want to organize any function in a home, we will make the invitation, right? If we distribute 500 invitations, we will prepare lunch for the 800 members, right? So we will estimate how many members may come and we will prepare the lunch, correct? So that we call it as a estimation. So today we will learn estimation for nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay. So, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers, so 5 is from 4, 3, 2, 1. These numbers are nearest to 1. These numbers are nearest to 1 and here these numbers are nearest to 10. And 5 you can add for 0, otherwise you can go for 10. Okay, 5 is the middle number, so you can go for 0, otherwise you can go for 10. Okay, okay Revati, understood? Yes, very good. Sujat, is this clear? Yes, feeling sleepy? Sujat feeling sleepy? Yes, okay. Okay, very good. Now, so I will take one number. For example, 499. Okay, I took the number here 499. Have to find the nearest tens. I have to find the nearest tens. So if I want to make 10 means I will check the ones place. I have to find the nearest tens. I have to find the nearest tens. So I will check the ones place. What I will do? I will check the ones place. In the ones place, what I have? 9. In the ones place, what I have? 9. So See here, I told you already, if it is 9, if it is 9, it is nearest to 10, right? If it is 9, it is nearest to 10. So what I will do, this is the nearest 10 is 500. Okay, nearest to 10 is 500. Easily you can find it like this. Otherwise you can draw the number line also. So if you want to draw the number line means this is the nearest 10, right? Nearest 10. So nearest 10 means in the number line we need only 10 numbers. Only 10 difference should be there from the beginning number to ending number. So here I will take 490 and here I will take 500. Where we get the 499? 499 comes between 490 to 500, right? 490 to 500. So I have written 490 and here 500. So 490 after 491 and here 492 and here 493, 494, 495, 496, 497 and here 498, 499 and here 500. See here difference. We are estimating nearest to tens value, right? Nearest to 10. So I have written 10 difference. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 500. So where is the 499? 499 is here. So what I will do? Now I will mark. So 499 is nearest to 500. Aditya, what happened? Yes. So 499 is nearest to 500. Okay. Okay, Ashrita. Yes. Okay, Jenny. Yes, Neha Guna. Understood? Yes. Yes. Sinchana. Yes. Akif. Natasha. Is this clear? Yes, very good. So, for example, if I take 77 without number line also you can estimate to the nearest tens. Now only practicing nearest tens. Yes, Akfa, tell me pa. Understood? Yes. So 77. We have to find the nearest 10 number. For this tens, it is nearest. Okay. So only one's place we have to check. Only one's place we have to check. This is the 7, right? 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, I will raise the before number 1. I will raise after number of this one. I will add 1 to this 7. Okay. Before number. For one's place, before number what we have? Tens place, right? For this tens place, I will add 1. For 7, if I add 1, what I'll get? What I'll get for 7 if I add 1? Yes, tell me. Yes, Akif, very good. 8. So it's a 80. I will add 1 to this 7 and this 7 become 0. Okay. So it is 80. Nearest tens is 77 is nearest 10 is 80. Okay. So if I take, for example, 74, again we have to check the ones place. Again I have to check the ones place. In the ones place we have a 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what I will do? I will make it 0 and I don't add 1 for before number. So 7 will be as it is. It's a 70. Okay. Understood? Varun? Yes, Varun understood? Varun? Yes, Vaibhav? Understood, Vaibhav? Yes. Next, Akhilesh, Harsha. Yes. So, I will tell you once again. Here I am going to write 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Okay, so here I have written few numbers. Can you see the number? Can you see the number? Umayma and Saima, can you see the number? Yes, yes, very good. So now we have to write the nearest tens for this number. Okay, Asha? So 71 is nearest to 70 because in the ones place we have a 1. In the ones place we have a 1. So only I did 1 as a 0. I converted 1 into 0, 7 as it is. Okay. Next, nearest tens for 72. In the ones place what I have? Ashrita, leave your hands. So in the ones place we have a 2, right? It's a less than 5. 2 is less than 5, correct? 2 is less than 5. So what I will do, this 2 I will convert to 0, 7 as it is, then 72 also nearest to 70. 72 also nearest to 70. Okay, and then again I will go for 73. I will check the ones place. I will check the ones place, and 3 is less than 5. Correct? 3 is less than 5. So I will convert 3 into 0. Okay, 3 becomes 0 and 7 as it is. That means 73 is nearest to 70. Okay. Okay. Yes. Next I will go for 74. 74. 4 is less than 5, correct? 4 is less than 5. So again 4 becomes 0 and 7 as it is. So 71 is nearest to 70. 72 is nearest to 70. 73 is nearest to 70. 74 is nearest to 70. Okay. Okay. 75 will come later. I'll go for 76. Okay. So 6, I will check the ones place. 6 is greater than 5, correct? 6 is greater than 5, correct? Correct, Akfa? Natasha, correct? Yes. So, Arab, correct, pa? 6 is greater than 5. Correct, Jenny? 6 is greater than 5. So, I will increase the before number 7. I will increase the 7. I will add 1 for the 7. Okay, then it will be 80. As it is how we are doing here, these numbers 0. Here also I am doing the 6 as a 0. I will do the 6 as a 0. 6 becomes 0, but 7 becomes 8. I added 1 for 7. I added 1 for 7. Understand? I added 1 for 7. So again I will go for 77. So again I will check the ones place. 7 is greater than 5, correct? 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5, correct? So I will add 1 for this 7, which is in the tens place. Whatever number we have in the tens place, for that number I will add 1. Okay. So this 7 becomes 8, this 7 becomes 0. So 77 is nearest to 8. Okay. Next again I will go for 78. So 78, 8 is greater than 5. So I'll make this 0 and I'll add 1 for this 7, then it will become 80. And this is also ones place we have a 9. 9 is greater than 5. So I will make that 9 become 0 and 7 becomes 8. So what you understood from this? Anyone can you tell me? Anyone can you tell me? Yes, Jenny, tell me. Yes, unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, from 71 to 74, 71 to 74, we should write 70.
Nearest to 10 is 70.
And from
76 to
nearest to 10 is
79.
70.
Yes.
9, we should write 80 because it is nearest to
80.
80.
Yes, very good. Sinchan, understand pa? Snehaguna? Arab? Yes, Iram? Yes, Iram understood? Iram understood? Yes. So what about this 75? We didn't talk about 75, right? So 75 is middle number. See here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the middle number, right? So we can make it nearest to 70. Otherwise, we can make it to nearest 80. It's not a problem. For this, better we will go for 80 only. Okay. It's not a wrong. If you make your nearest 10 is 70, that is also correct. 70 or 80, both. Okay. 70 or 80, both you can do. Okay. Understand? Understand, Yashasvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Revati? Yes. Sujat? Yashasvi? Shreya? Kalandar understood? Show me the thumb. Show me the thumb if you understood. Harsha? Yes, okay. So now I will take 3-digit number. Okay. So for example, I will take 251. Have chosen 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, okay. I have taken these numbers. Can you see the number? So first, I have taken 251, right? So here also I have to make these two nearest tens. Okay, Ananya? I have to make these two nearest tens. So I will check the again ones place. If you want to write the nearest 10 means you have to check the ones place. You have to check the ones place. In the ones place I have a 1. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So I'll make it is 0 and 25 as it is 250. So it's a 251 is nearest to 250. And 250 is nearest to, Natasha, tell me. Yes, Natasha. Yes, Aro. Can you answer me? Unmute and tell me, pa. Unmute and tell me, Aro. Yes. Iram. Yes, Aro. Tell me, pa.
Ma'am, first we want to check one's place.
Yeah, one's place.
Ma'am, we want to put 0.
Yeah, very good. And then
Ma'am, 225
as it is.
as it is.
Yeah, 252 is nearest to 250. Okay. 251
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also nearest to 250 and 252 is also nearest to 250. Okay. So
250. Yes,
now it
ma'am.
is the time to wind up. So today class I will complete here itself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will finish here itself. But today's homework is you have to finish it full. Okay, here I have given right. These full you have to complete it. Today's homework
Yes, ma'am.
is you have to complete this full. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And with that one more number you have to write yourself. Take a 4-digit number. Take a 4-digit number and make it nearest to 10. Okay. Estimate the value for
Yes,
nearest to 10. Otherwise, can I give the number? 4-digit
Yes,
number
ma'am.
shall I give? Shall I give number? Yes.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so number is 4384. So this is the number 4384 is your homework today. So you have to complete this 251, 252, 253. You have to complete this. After that, 4384 is 4384 is your number. So you have
Yes,
to estimate nearest to 10 for that number. Okay. So I will send the copy. I will send the copy of this. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will
Yes,
send the
ma'am.
copy of this, and you can. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Okay, pa. So what can we wind up today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So bye bye. Take care. Stay in
Bye,
home.
ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Have a
Bye,
nice day.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, pa.
Maya, Adel, Maya, that's my way.